Exposure to sun, pollution and other environmental factors can cause skin problems like acne, suntan, dark complexion, etc. Women usually have skin that has a relatively soft texture. This homemade face wash is perfect for all skin types as all ingredients used are good for skin. Watching this video till the end, you will get clear idea how these remedies will help you. So without any further delay, let's get started.
To prepare this natural remedy, the ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen, the ingredients we need are honey, gram flour, milk, turmeric. Gram flour will help to clean the skin and acts as a soap to clean all the pores of the skin. Honey, it helps to rid your skin of blackheads by removing dirt from pores. It then hydrates and tightens skin pores for clear complexion. I'm using cow milk here. You can use soya milk, coconut milk, oat milk or rice milk. Any milk that acts as moisturizer to the skin. And finally, turmeric. Turmeric will add glow to the face. So now let's see how to prepare the face wash. For that, we need to take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of gram flour and half teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey and finally 2 teaspoons of milk. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure that no lump should be there. And here is a face wash is ready. Use this face wash whenever you would like to wash your face. Instead of using your face soaps or other face washes, you will see the difference immediately after using this face wash. This face wash won't dry up your skin like other faces will do. Even during the winters, you can use this face wash 2 to 3 times a day and it can be stored up to 2 days maximum. It is recommended to prepare a fresh batch every day.
Did you find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, please hit the bell button for latest videos. Which home remedy would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment section.